Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
What's up, everyone? This is Bill. Today I got a video review for you. My friends over at Zed Parts. Also, you can look at MSX125accessories.com. These are handlebars for the Honda Grom. They will fit all years of the Honda Grom. So go check out zedparts.com. And also go look at MSX 125 accessories. That's where these came from. You can check the links in the description so you can check these out. So these are a 7-piece handlebar setup. Okay, and they're called 7-Speed by TPN Racing. See right there. Take a look at the box that they come in. Anybody knows what that says? Right here. Let me know. Yeah, so by TPN Racing. Made in Thailand. Okay, these run $65 to $75 on the MSX 125 accessories website. So you can see here, they are aluminum 6061 T6 anodized. These are really nice quality, really nice bars. And they have sent me a gold pair and a red pair. The theme on my bike, as you've seen if you watched my other videos, is gold and black. So I will be installing this gold pair on my bike to try them out and do a review on them. And I will be giving the red pair away. So we'll take a look at all the parts. Let me let you see what these look like. Really nice packaging too. Okay, there's that anodized aluminum. Okay, this is the red set. And then you have the gold set here. Okay, so we can take a look at the pieces. You get a total of 8 bolts in here. Okay, and this is the main piece, the center piece. So this is you're going to undo the top clamps on your handlebars, and you're going to leave the bottom clamp there. These are going to bolt right on top of that, facing forward like so. They do say 7-speed right here on the front. So we get that camera to focus. There you go. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7-piece handlebars. Okay, just get this aluminum block in there. This is the clamp. So it's going to go in there like this. This is going to go on here. And then you do have the bar. And the bar is 22.5 millimeters, 0.985 inch, 115 over 128. Okay, so they're pretty much your standard bars, the same size that are on the Grom, which are, I believe, 7/8. So your standard grips that would be on the Honda Grom or the MSX 125, the Honda Grom SF, their grips that are on there are the same size that are going to fit on this. Okay, so I'll show you what they look like put together, and we'll get them installed on the bike. Okay, so here is the 7-speed handlebars all put together. I remember these are on MSX 125's website, msx125accessories.com, and these are $65 right now. They're usually between $65 and $75, and these are the 7-piece handlebar. And they're very heavy duty, really nice material, all anodized aluminum. And you're going to need 6mm and 5mm Allen heads. So you have a total of 8 screws. These are going to be 6mm, 6mm. These are your longer bolts. So you can see here, that's these bolts right here. Okay, those are going to drop down through there. So you're going to bolt these black pieces. You're going to bolt those down to the main frame of it. And then you're going to lightly put these, which are the medium length bolts. You'll have 4 of these. They're going to go in here. You're going to put them in there lightly. So you got your bar on. One threads into your bar. The other one threads into here. And then you're going to get them sitting on there. Snug them up a little bit. Install the bars. And then get them where you want them sitting. Okay, you do have a smaller bolt, which is this right here. Okay, that's going to be the 5mm Allen head. And that helps lock in this black piece. So you're going to set that on there. Thread that in. Thread this in. Tighten them both up equally. You know, go from one to the other, back and forth. This black piece needs to be snug down to this. Okay, and they are... You can see they sit down at an angle just a little bit. That is how the holes are cut inside here. So they are supposed to be like that. So they do it on each side. Okay, so they're going to go on the bike just like this, facing forward like that. Okay, so we will tear down all the old stuff on the bike and then show you what these look like installed. Okay, so these are the stock bars. Let's start the bike up real quick so you can just get a little listen to it. So anyway, that's my Honda Grom, and that's what we'll be doing the install on. As you can see here, I do have quite a bit of stuff to remove. We have the RAM mount up here for the phone. I do have a charger on the bike as well. We'll have to remove the GoPro mount and throttle, brake, clutch. This whole assembly here, the wheel mount bar ends are going to have to come off. I don't think we're going to reuse those because the gold does not match at all. As you can see, the gold color from Thailand looks really nice. So we're going to just go with it. So anyway, what you're going to do to install these new bars is you're going to take these little caps off. Ultimately, all this has to come off. Okay, so you're going to undo these bolts. You're going to undo the Phillips head screws here. You're going to get your grips off. Hopefully not destroy them. Same with over here. It's a little 8mm and Phillips. And then these are a 6mm Allen head right here. And you're going to reuse these stock bolts that are in here. So you're just going to take this upper clamp off of the bike, and you're not going to reuse those. You're going to take your stock handlebars off, and your new bars are going to bolt directly to the lower clamp, okay? So we'll tear this down and install the new bars and let you check it out. Okay, so here's the final product installed on the 2018 Honda Grom. Again, this is the 7-speed, 7-piece handlebars from TPN Racing over in Thailand, made in Thailand. And again, you can get these for $65 right now from MSX 125 Accessories website. So that's MSX125accessories.com. Also go check out Zeed Parts. There'll be a link in the description for both websites. It's gonna take you a good hour to get these installed, maybe a little longer. I did drill the holes out inside here and here underneath. Okay, so it's a 5mm hole, and I did drill it out. So now these are staying on there pretty good. But it does take quite a bit of riding the bike around, figuring out how angle you want these handlebars back, because these can twist 100% or 180 degrees. You know, they can twist all the way from this position down here to all the way up here. So you're gonna have to take a ride around, get them adjusted perfect. One thing I found that you can do is just snug this bolt up lightly, leave this one loose, get them adjusted where you want, and then snug that one down. That'll hold them in place. Then adjust that one. Be careful not to strip anything. This is all aluminum. Okay, so you don't want to torque them down super tight. But hand tight should be good. And then another thing to keep in mind is under here on the Grom, these little tabs stick down. And I don't really see a reason as to why they are there. But they will do this. Scratch that sticker right there, that decal. So I'll just order new decals. That's fine. There's some gold decals we're going to order for it. So if you turn it all the way sharp, it will get to a point where that'll hit depending on how you have the bars adjusted. So just keep that in mind. The other side seems to clear without any issues. Okay, but that's because these are completely different on each side, on the left and right. Okay, but there you have it. Big shout out to MSX 125 Accessories for sending this out to me to do a review on. And like I said, I have a red pair that I will be giving away, so make sure you follow me on Google+, where I do all my giveaways. There'll be a link in the description. But make sure you subscribe. I got more giveaways and reviews coming up. So I'm Bill. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.